whenever you are ready.
My name is Jim Clark. I've been dealing with John Rainey for about 6 months now. He's done repairs on numerous guitars for me. I find his ability to be great and things. I do mostly my own repairs, but I found John at the El Camino school, and they wound up doing a lot more than I could personally do. And John has all the equipment and knowledge to make any guitar repairs that I need done. I just bought a couple of more guitars back in today because he's going to be doing a bunch of work on these projects.
How you doing? This is Andrew Rocker hanging out at El Camino School of Music. You know me probably from Blue Rocker Guitars. Come over here and see John. John does all the guitar repair, John Rainey. Really good guitar technician, and if you need something done, El Camino Music. If you need amps, strings, whatever you need, stop on by.
My name's Buddha. Came down here to El Camino to get my bass worked on. I was playing a gig, broke the pan pot up. John Rainey back in the back took care of it, set up the action, adjusted a few things on, plays great now. Definitely recommend this place. Come on down and these guys will take care of you.
My name's Eliza, and my grandmother decided to close the trunk on my new guitar once. So I brought it in to El Camino School of Music, and they fixed it right up and fixed the fretboard and fixed a big hole that I really thought was unfixable, and fixed strings, and it's just good as new.